Hey guys, it's Sarah here, and I'm just here to do this baddie's voiceover. Look at her. She's gonna show you guys how she slay those 2 ponytails and those 6 clips up in her head top. So without further ado, let's get to it. Look at her, look all cute. So you're gonna need 2 ponytails because you can't use one because clearly you need anyways. So you're gonna need your silky head wrap, and that's her bag with all her little hair utensils that she finna use. You're gonna need the eco gel, some brush, a comb, some scrunchies, and obviously the clips, because if you don't have the clips, then you... Anyways, so first off, part the hair. Make sure it's part. If you want a middle part, a side part, do whatever part you want. So that's what she's doing now, just parting the hair. Get it, straight. Yup, straighten that part. So, you can have a 2 ponytail side. Yup. Look at that hair. That's a lot of hair on her head top. That's a lot of hair. Anyways, so you're gonna section it. And you're gonna put one side in a bun, and then you're gonna tackle the other side. Okay? So what you're gonna need now is to get some eco gel. Slime it up in your hands, and then you're just gonna comb it through your hair. Just silk it back. You're gonna get that brush. Yes, silk it, girl. Silk it back. You gotta really silk it down. Gotta lay them down. Lay them down. Just gonna, silk it, brush it back, get it. Look at all that hair on her head, though. That's a lot of hair. Wow. So anyway, back on track. Okay, so you're gonna silk it back and put it in a little bun, and then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Get the eco gel and put it in your hair, comb it out, and yes, you gotta make sure you get it in every section, because you just have to get it in there, because if you don't get it in there, then it's gonna rise up. You don't want it to rise up. We're not trying to stretch for the skies. No, we're trying to lay down. You're gonna put those hair to sleep. So just comb the eco gel through the hair, brush it through, get it, and then after you do all that, you're gonna put it in a little bun. Then you're gonna get your scrunchie and make sure you double scrunchie it, because if you put one, it might lose. Okay, she needs 3. Needs 3. The hair is stubborn. So, is that 4? Okay, that's a lot. But gotta be safe than sorry. And you're gonna get your silky head wrap it around, to lay them. I told you we're not reaching for the heavens. We are sleeping. That's what we're finna do. So you get 2. Do the first one, and then do the second one, for extra protection. And then you're going to do the third one, for safety. And then after a half an hour or however long you want to keep it on there, take it off. Make sure they're sleeping. Then you're going to get the ponytails. And then you're just going to clip it around, wrap it around the little bun that you've made already, and take a piece of the hair and just, wrap it around, and make sure it stayed, okay? Then you're gonna do to the other side. Take it out the bag. Hurry up. Yes. Clip it, wrap it around. Oh, we're not there yet. Now we're there. Wrap it around. Yep. Wrapping, twirling. That's what I'm talking about. Get it? Ooh, look at them ponytails. Those are some nice ponytails. Kinky curl. Yes, look at that smile. Melanin popping. And get some bobby pins. This is your back. This is like the bobby pins. Listen, they're your little workmans, okay? You pop those things in there to make sure those ponytails stay in place, okay? They can't go nowhere. This is not, they can't leave. No, absolutely not. After you get the bobby pin in there, you're going to get your clips, whatever color you want, but she's going to use white. And you're going to put 3 on one side, and then you're going to move over to the other side and put 3 over there as well. Yup. Those are some really nice clips. I wonder where she got them from. She should really tell you guys where she got the clips from, because those are really nice clips. I like those clips, not gonna lie. Look how serious she looks. Yes, concentrate. Anywho, Look at her feeling herself. I mean, she is cute. You better slay, queen. Tell them. That's how it is. Oh, pose, pose, pose. Yes, yes. That's what I'm talking about. You see, guys? And that's how you do it. Simple, easy. So simple. 1, 2, 3 step, done. You know, it's probably more than one step, but it's fun. It's fun. But do you see that though? Do you see that? She came and she slayed. That's how a queen pop off. Thank you guys for watching.